welcome you to the first annual Taste of Haiti.
Marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres.
Allah de belles bagailles, là le monde qui remet, vini tomber d'amour, même si on dit, yon jour que yon quitté, pas entrer dans cause.
Here with Layla Flor. This is Miss Florida Plus. She's representing America. Is there anything you'd like to let the Haitian community know?
Yes, my name is Layla Flor. My platform is HIV and AIDS. My uncle died in 1994. And my platform is HIV and AIDS because the epidemic of HIV and AIDS is so serious. And the number of people that are living with HIV and AIDS and dying with HIV and AIDS is increasing. TV, this is your girl Sophie Gillot. Nous là dans North Miami, city of North Miami, Taste of Haiti. Manger yo goût, piment, pi glisse, pi tout bagay net. Son bagay très chaud. We have DJ Nicky Mix. Nous gen moun Haiti, an pile moun ki sorti vin supporter nous. This is a nice event where all the community join. North Miami, you've done it this time. Stay tuned for more with Haitian TV. TV, we're here with State Representative Daphne Campbell. Ms. Campbell, is there anything you'd like to let the community know, the Haitian community, young Haitian community, older Haitian community?
Well, first, thème de tout le monde qui a de moi première fois, c'est député Daphne Campbell, district 108. Et je suis très fier avec un staff que j'ai gagné avant, qui était vraiment aidé district 108 là. But unfortunately, you know, but she's my heart, and truly, comme Julie, vraiment, en public, où t'es dans le district là, où t'es vraiment fait portrait très bien outside. But pour people, you know, la vie encore, on retourne encore, and moi très content vraiment d'avoir une petite opportunité pour me parler avec la communauté haïtienne. Communauté haïtienne, c'est une communauté qui avance en pile. Si moun jeune yo, grand moun yo, si moun petit yo, vraiment yo ouais, qui niveau yon haïtien ou yon haïtienne, yeah? Tant que moi-même juste à la assis, moi seul qui haïtien, non à la assis.
Ladies, can you please tell us why should we, someone like me, take Ragaman? Especially ladies from you guys.
Well, I think Ragaman tastes amazing, honestly. It's better than Red Bull, Monster. We beat all the competition, and it doesn't make you feel, you know, really tired when you're coming down from the energy, and it doesn't make you feel too full, so it's just perfect. So try it.
Carlina avec Menpower. I saw the name and I had to stop and see what it's about. Miss Colin, can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yes. My name is Colleen. I'm the founder and CEO of Menpower Gourmet Hot Sauce, founded in 2009. This hot sauce is a hot sauce that you cannot eat without it. It is a renowned For the chefs, all the chefs, they know about it. It's made with exotic peppers, vinegar, olive oil, and our special blend of herbs and spices.
All right, can you tell us what did you get here?
I have a Haitian cornmeal with tilapia, avocado, and pig leaves.
Guylaine Lafontaine, and my company is Ife Creations. This is a ceramic arts company, and this started after the earthquake in Haiti. After I went to volunteer, and I helped many artists over there. I stayed 6 months, and when I came back here, I, wanted to do my own thing.
My name is Guy Francois, Vice Consul at the Consulate General of Haiti in Miami. More part of the organizers of the event. We partnered with the Haitian Culinary Alliance. So aujourd'hui, là, nous réunis au niveau de la cuisine haïtienne. So, vous voyez qu'il y a différents types de manger qui viennent là. Il y a piment, il y a fruits, il y a bon riz, bon jonjon. Bagay ko kon jeune la kay ou jeune ni la aujourd'hui dans notre Miami. So it's a first and it's a big success. We have the Miami Dolphins here, nous avons Miami Marlins. So tout téléspectateur t'aime pas et Moon Island TV qui a regardé yo, n'a salué yo et n'a tenu c'est pas dernière année que l'a fait. Et puis supporter local, supporter produits haïtiens parce que là nous fait ça c'est Moon Haiti nous supporter.